I'm going to talk about upcoming patterns. So there's some weather warnings which is extreme cold. That's in Toronto, Oshawa, whatever places. So extreme cold is everywhere in Southern Ontario except for Kingston, Cobourg, and Peterborough or the La. So I need to check those. So let's check Peterborough. So Peterborough is going to get some minus wind chills of minus 33 to minus 38. Oh, it's going to begin early this morning. It's going to last through. There's a yellow warning, which is extreme cold warning, which is temperatures expected, whatever. So let's check Coburg. So Coburg is going to get some same thing because it's connected. So bubbles also same thing. Uxbridge, same as Toronto. So like you don't need to do wire tunnel inside line side over wire in like those cities because it's already inside it. So most part of science areas in it's going to be minus 30 to minus 35 degrees. So it's gonna be go through early this morning. So it's yellow warning because of extreme cold warnings. So don't need to talk about anything else. So for the weather warnings. So let's talk about the precipitation pattern, pressure patterns. So it's gonna take this. So Hope's Bay, Wyerton, Elgin, Hanover. Oh, wrong. The patterns. So 1024 millibars of pressure. Let's zoom out to southern Ontario. This 1028 millibars. So let's go to 7 p.m. 1028, 1024, 1026 degree millibars of pressure. Let's go to hour 7 p.m. February 1st. That means the average temperature is going to increase. So 1024, 1020, 1060 millibars of pressure. Let's go to next hour. That's 1018 level. Let's go to 24 hours after that. So 1020, 1000 and nothing. So too far out. 1024 millibars of pressure. Let's look at next hour, which is 114th hours. So 1024, 1020, and 1000 and something. So zoom out to southern Ontario one click properly. So there is nothing else. So let's look at. So let's okay. So let's talk about the precipitation patterns. So 1 p.m. Line said, obey Collingwood, Palm Beach, Thunder Beach, ready, Beverly Hills, Newmarket snowfall is going to get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to 4 p.m. It's going to take a minute. 4 p.m. So, Lion said, obey Bartown, Boyalton, Hanover, Collingwood, Palm Beach, Thunder Beach, Ready, Beverly Hills, snowfall, Newmarket, Oshawa, Uxbridge, not doing it. So those is except Uxbridge, Oshawa is going to get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next tower, which is 7 p.m. 10 p.m., 10 p.m. So Hope's Bayline said, Collingwood, Whiteham, Port Elgin, Hanover, no, not doing that. So Barry, Beverly Hills, doses are going to get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall during Palm Beach on the beach. So let's go to next hour, which is 10 p.m. Hopes Bay, Whiteham, Boyaldin, Hanover, Collingwood, Beverly Hills, parts of Niagara and Lake, those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next hour, which is 7 a.m. So Whiteham, nothing for Urgent Hanover yet. So those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. There's only one city, so let's go to next hour, which is 10 a.m. So there is no precipitation anywhere. So 1 p.m. there is no precipitation. Let's go to 7 p.m. There is 4 p.m. there is something. So Parts of Niagara Falls City is gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to 7 p.m. There is nothing else. 10 p.m. There's nothing else. Let's go to 7 a.m. There's nothing else. 10 a.m. There's nothing else. 1 p.m. There's nothing else. 4 p.m., 7 p.m., 10 p.m., 1 a.m., so 4 a.m., 7 a.m., 10 a.m., 1 a.m., 10 a.m. again. Let's double take 4 p.m. There's nothing. 7 p.m. So line said, obey Boyolgen, possibly Hanover is gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to 10 p.m. So line said, obey Wartime Boyolgen, Hanover, Collingwood, Palm Beach, Sunny Beach, Salaby. Those cities are gonna get some, including Brampton, Onitshaw. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next hour, which is 7 a.m. So Watertown, Boyolton, Hanover, Collingwood, Palm Beach, Sunny Beach, Midland, Beatty, Mississauga, Brampton, Onitshaw, Downtown Toronto, Richmond Hill, Newmarket, Scarborough, Borderline, Stouffville, not doing Stouffville anymore. So Niagara, Niagara Falls City, those cities are Belleville, those cities Peterborough, those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next hour, which is 10 p.m. Collingwood, Palm Beach, Midland, Orilla, Beatty, Beverly Hills, Georgia, Belleville, those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to 1 p.m. So Orilla, Beatty, Beverly Hills, Georgia, Midland, Milan, Spartan, Boyolton, Hanover, those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. So let's go to 4 p.m. Lionshead, Bay, Boyolton, Hanover, Whitetown, Collingwood, Palm Beach, Thunder Beach. Those cities are gonna get, including possibly Peterborough, is gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Not doing bad yet, so if it is possible to be, because you can't see that if it's Peterborough or not, so it's in the middle. So let's go to 7 p.m. January, no, what is February? So Lionshead, Bay, Warriortown, Boyolton, Hanover, Collingwood, Palm Beach, Thunder Beach, South Bay, Midland, Orilla, Beatty, Georgia, Beverly Hills, Coburg, Belleville, those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to 7:10 p.m. So Warriortown, we're not doing that. So Hanover, Palm Beach, Sunny Beach, Alabama, Midland, Orilla, Beatty, Coburg, Belleville, those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Not doing Peterborough yet. So let's let's go to total precipitation. It's going to take a while, actually, extra while. You first. 24 hours. So not doing 7 a.m. but that's nighttime. So Whiteton is going to get some 0.7 millimeters. So 1 millimeters is an O and sound, but it's actually 0.8. So Collingwood 0.7. Everywhere in Niagara Falls is going to be average out, so it's going to be 1 millimeters of rainfall. Hamilton's going to get some 0.3 millimeters of rainfall. Line says 0.6. Hopes to be 0.6. So Port Elgin's going to be 0.7. Onward it's going to be 0.7 millimeters. London, whatever. So let's go to next hour. Actually, next 24 hour. Well, we could do not doing 8 p.m. So it's almost the same. So let's see any difference. There is no difference in PM and APM for Niagara Falls City. So Niagara Falls City is gonna get some 0.2 millimeters of rainfall, actually 0.4. Conceivably 0. Something. So it's gonna be 0.4 millimeters of rainfall in Niagara Falls City. Let's go to next 24 hours. New precipitations. So Lionshead is gonna get 0.6, Hopes Bay 0.3, Boy Elgin is gonna be 0.45 millimeters, Hanover is gonna get some 0.3 millimeters, so those cities are gonna get whatever, not gonna see that. So let's go to next 24 hours, 7 p.m. and don't need 10 p.m. That's extra 3 hours. So Port Elton's gonna be 2 millimeters. Hanover is gonna be 2 millimeters of rainfall. Collingwood 2 millimeters. Warrington 2 millimeters. So Hope's Bay is gonna be 1 millimeters of rainfall. Line said it's gonna be 1 millimeters. Barmy, Sunny Beach, Solid Bay, Midland's gonna be 2 millimeters. Or going to be like 2 millimeters. Very also with 2 millimeters. Georginia 1 millimeters. Beverly Isles 1 millimeters. So everywhere, no, I'm not gonna say that. So Bram says 1 millimeters. Mississauga down to 1 millimeter. Scarborough, Stowe 1 millimeters. Richard Hills gonna be 2 millimeters. Pause. No, it's 1 millimeter. So Oshawa, Uxbridge 0.8 millimeters. Coburg, Peterborough is going to be 0.7 millimeters. Balboa 0.7. Everywhere Niagara Falls 1 millimeters. Hamilton, Oracle is going to be lighter. Hamilton is going to get some 0.7 millimeters. Oracle's heaviest it could get is close to 0.9 millimeters. 0.9 millimeters. That's the heaviest. Lightest is going to be 0.8 millimeters. So 0.7, 0.8 won't make a difference. So now doing 10 p.m. So let's go to next hour. It's going to take a while actually. So which is total snowfall. So 24 hours. So 7 p.m. So Y times 0.8 centimeters. Collingwood 0.8 centimeters. So let's actually do precipitation. So 0.5 millimeters London. Everywhere Niagara Falls is going to be 1.20 centimeters. No, it's going to be 1.15 centimeters. Brampton 0.2. Mississauga 0.1. Downtown 0.1. Scarborough 0.1. Stouffville 0.1. Richmond Hill 0.1. Newmarket 0.2. Orange Grove 0.3. So Port Elgin 0.7 onwards is going to be 0.8 centimeters. Hope's Bay line head is different. So Hope's Bay is going to be 0.7, 0.6 line head. So let's go to Hamilton 0.8 centimeters. Queen's Spy. So Ogo area 0.8 and Ogo lightest could be 0.2. So let's go to next hour, which is 7 p.m. So everywhere Niagara Falls is 0.25 centimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next hour, which is say February 2nd. So Y times 2 is 0.2 boils and 0.4 onward is going to be 0.3 centimeters. Line set is going to be 0.4 centimeters. Hope's Bay is going to be 0.3 centimeters. So snowfall. Actually, Hope's Bay a bit little higher. So this doesn't count. This doesn't change. So let's go to next hour, not in London. So let's go to 1:14 hours, which is 7 p.m. Not 10 p.m. So Brighton is 1.8, Collingwood is 2.0, London, whatever. Brampton 1.3, Mississauga 1.3, Downtown 1.2, Stouffville 1.1, 1.15 is Scarborough, Newmarket 1.5, Orangeville 1.6, Uxbridge 0.9, Oshawa 0.7, Peterborough 0.8, Coburg 0.9, Belvoir 0.8. Everywhere in Niagara Falls is going to be 1.15 centimeter. No, it's gonna be 1.06 centimeters. Hamilton is 0.7. 0.7 lightest is equal. Heaviest could be 1.2 centimeters. Actually 1.1. So Mississauga is also 1.2. So Port Elgin's going to be 1. No, it's gonna be 2 centimeters. 2.1 is in Hanover. So Hope's Bay is going to be very close. So it's gonna be 1.1 centimeters. Line says it's gonna be 1 centimeter. So far, let's go to actually it's 1.2 is line said all base. So line said is actually gonna be 1.1. 1.2 is in the Hope's base. So Bottom Beach is going to be could be 2 centimeters, but actually could be 1.8 centimeters. So 1.7. So 1.7. Solid Bay 1.7. No, that's Thunder Beach. So South Beach is actually 1.5. Thunder Beach is 1.7. Midland could be 1.7 centimeters of snowfall. Southerland could be 1.4 centimeters of snowfall. 1.3. So, so 1.5 centimeters is actually going to be Orlala. 1.3 centimeters is actually going to be Berry. So actually 1.4 is actually Berry. So Orlala is 1.5 centimeters. So We did line said obey properly. So just do Georginia this time. So Georginia is going to be 0.9 centimeters, 1.1 centimeters. Beverly Hills is going to be 1.2 centimeters. So snowfall, like 1.2. So it's only points off, 0.1 centimeter off. So let's go to, there is no next hour. So air temperature patterns. So this is actual ones. So -13 London, Whitehall -13, Collingwood -12, Brampton -12, Downton -11, Scarborough -12, Stoffel -13, Mississauga -11, Richmond Hill is going to be -12 degrees, Newmarket -13, Orangewood -12, Uxbridge -15, Oshawa -14, Coburg -14, Peterborough -17, Belvoir -17. So more precipitation the it is, the more longer the video is because this is 17 minutes of the video. So Hamilton 12 degrees, all goals gonna be -11 degrees. Everywhere in Niagara Falls, I mean average is -13 degrees. So let's start from Lake Simcoe. So Barrie is -13 degrees. Georgina -13. Babylon is -13. Odella is gonna be -16. Could be. But it's actually -13. -15. Line said Obey is going to be -12 degrees. And Jose line said is actually going to be -13 degrees. Palm Beach, Thunder Beach is going to be -13 degrees. So Salaberry -14, Midland is going to be -14 degrees. So okay. So let's go to Port Elgin. Port Elgin -12. Hanover is going to be -12.5 degrees. So let's go to next hour. Let's actually go to next hour, which is 7 a.m. January 31st. So -13 Whiteham, Collingwood -14, London -22, Brampton 21, -21, Stoffel -20, Scarborough -19, Dundee -18, Mississauga -18, Oakland -16, Hamilton -16, everywhere in Niagara Falls -12.5, Newmarket, Orangewood -21, Uxbridge -21, Oshawa -19, -22, Peterborough, Coburg -18, Belvoir -23, so Port Elgin is going to be -13. Hanover is going to be -13 degrees. Line said always going to be -13 degrees. Palm Beach is going to be -19, 18, 17. So it's going to be -17 degrees, actually -18. So Thunder Beach is going to be -14 degrees. Solar Bay is going to be -18 degrees. Midland is going to be -22 degrees, 23. Barrie is going to be -20, 19, 20 degrees. Georgina is going to be -18 degrees. Beverly Hills is going to be -19 degrees. Orla is going to be -22 degrees. So let's go to next hour, which is 3 p.m. 3 p.m. So Whitehall -12, Collingwood -13, London, whatever. So Brampton -13, Mississauga -14, Downton -14, -14.5 is Scarborough, Stoffel -15, Oshawa is going to be -15, Newmarket -14, Orangewood -13. Those two. Uxbridge -15, Peterborough -14, Coburg -14, Belvoir -14, everywhere in Niagara Falls -12.5, Hamilton -11, Oakville -11. Oakville, the coldest temperature is -11, and warmest temperatures could be -13, 14. It's gonna be -15 degrees. So Port Elgin -11, Hanover is gonna be -12. Lionshead or Bay is going to be -11 degrees. Sada Bay, Thunder Beach -11. Palm Beach is going to be -13 degrees. Midland is going to be -11 degrees. Olala is going to be -11 degrees. Barrie is going to be -13 degrees. Could be. So it's actually -14, but it's 13.5 degrees is in Barrie. So Georginia is going to be -13. Beverly Hills also could be -13.5, but it's 14 degrees. So let's go to next hour. Let's go to next hour, which is 7 a.m. Whiteham -16, Collingwood -15, Brampton -19, Mississauga -17, Down Toronto -17, Scarborough -18, Suffolk -19, Richmond Hill -18, Newmarket Orangeville -20, Uxbridge -20, Oshawa -18, Peterborough -20, Coburg -17, Melbourne -20, everywhere in Niagara Falls -7.5, Hamilton -15, Oakland -15, Port Elgin -15, -16 is going to be actually it's going to be -19 degrees. It's in Hanover, so Lions Head or Bay it's going to be -15 degrees. So Salt Lake Bay, Palm Beach -18 degrees. So Thunder Beach is going to be -14 degrees. Salt Lake Bay, Palm Beach -17. So that's -18. So Midland's gonna be -22 degrees. Very going to be -20 degrees. Virginia is gonna be -18. No, it's gonna be -18 degrees. 7 degrees. So it's -18 degrees Georgia, Babylon Souls is gonna be -18 degrees, Olala is gonna be -20 degrees, so 21. So let's go to -20 whatever. So let's go to next hour, which is 3 p.m. So London -10, Warsaw -11, Collingwood -9, Newmarket -10, Orangeville -10, Stouffville -10, -9.5 is Scarborough, Downtown -9, -9 Brampton, Mississauga -9, Oshawa -10, Uxbridge -10, Peterborough -9, Coburg -9, Belvoir -11, Oakville -8 everywhere. So everywhere Niagara Falls is -9.5, so Hamilton -8, Port Elgin -7, Hanover is going to be -8 degrees. Hope's Bay is going to be -7 degrees. Lions Head is going to be -7 degrees. So Palm Beach is going to be -9. So Thunder Beach -9. Sotheby -9. Midlands going to be -9. So Barrie -10. Georgia -9. Beverly Hills is -10 degrees. Aurora is going to be -7 degrees. So let's go to next hour. Between actually it's -10 degrees, 9.5. So let's go to next hour. Let's actually go to next hour, which is 7 a.m. White minus 11, Collingwood minus 14, Brampton minus 17, Mississauga minus 16, Dr. minus 16. That's minus 16, yeah. Stouffville minus 15, Scarborough minus 17, Oshawa minus 11, Uxbridge minus 12, Newmarket, Orangeville minus 16, Peterborough minus 15, Coburg minus 13, Belvoir minus 17. Everywhere in Niagara Falls is going to be Niagara on the lake minus 10, Niagara Falls is minus 13, Hamilton minus 12, Oakville minus 12. Oakville coldest temperature is going to be minus 13 degrees. So Port Elgin is going to be -9 degrees. Hanover is going to be -11 degrees. So it's actually -12. So Hope's Bay is going to be -8. Lions Head it could be -8 degrees. Thunder Beach could be -9 degrees. Solid Bay is going to be -9 degrees. Actually, Midland, that's something else. So it's -11 is in Solid Bay. So Palm Beach is going to be. So Palm Beach is actually it's going to be -10 degrees, -9 degrees. Midland is going to be -12 degrees. So Barrie is going to be minus it's going to be -13 degrees. Georgia is going to be -10 degrees. Beverly Hills is going to be minus. That's actually -11 degrees in Georgia. -10 actually. So Beverly Hills is going to be -9 degrees. It's in Beverly Hills. So that's actually it's gonna be wrong. So it's actually -10. So let's do Georgia then. So -13 is in Georgia. Could be -12. Actually, it could like -12 degrees. It's in Georgia. So Beverly Hills is going to be let's see this. So it's gonna be -12 degrees. So let's actually go to 3 p.m. So, White on my 7, calling on my 6, Branch on my 8, Mrs. on my 8, Daughter on my 8, Cover on my 8, Tofu my 10, Visual my 9, Nima Gardens on my 8, Uxbridge my 7, Ottawa my 8, Peterborough my 7, Coburg my 7, Bellwood my 7, everywhere in Niagara Falls my 9, Hamilton my 10, Oakville the warmer, cold is the warmest. Cold is my 10, warm is minus 8, so Port Elgin my 7 onward is going to be minus 8 degrees. Hope's Bay minus 6 degrees, Line said is going to be minus 6 degrees. So Palm Beach, Sunny Beach is going to be minus 6 degrees. Solid Bay, Mainland minus 6 degrees. Olala is going to be minus 6 degrees. 6 degrees, minus 6 degrees. So Barrie is going to be minus 7 degrees. Dartinia minus 7 degrees. Beverly Hills is minus 8 degrees. So Peterborough minus 7 degrees. That's actually corrected. So let's go to next hour, which is February 3rd, which is 7 a.m. So then 3 p.m. Water minus 9, calling one minus 6, Lani minus 7, Brampton minus 7, Mrs. Ark minus 7, Delta Toronto minus 7, Scarborough minus 10, no, minus 10 so for Scarborough is actually going to be minus 8.5 degrees, also minus 10, Uxbridge minus 10, Newmarket minus 8, Orange one minus 6, or Peterborough minus 9, Coburg minus 7, Baba minus 7, everywhere in Niagara Falls is going to be minus 7 degrees, Hamilton minus 6, Oakville is going to be minus 6 degrees, Oakville again minus 6 degrees, so Port Elgin onward is going to be minus 9 degrees. Line said, oh, Bay is going to be minus 9 degrees. Bomb Beach, Thunder Beach is going to be minus 5 degrees. Slaughter Bay minus 5 degrees, Mainland minus 6 degrees. Olala, Barely, minus 8, Georginia, minus 8, Beverly Hills is going to be minus. Beverly Hills is actually going to be minus 9 degrees. So it's actually minus 9 degrees is possible. So let's do whatever. So this is very close to the end. So let's go to next hour. Let's double check everything. So there is nothing, no temperature missing. So 4 p.m. So final hour. So Whitehall minus 11, Cottingham minus 10, London whatever. So Brampton minus 10, Mississauga minus 8, Downtown minus 8, minus 8.5 Scarborough, Stouffville minus 9, Newmarket minus 10, Orangeville minus 10, Uxbridge minus 9, Oshawa minus 6, Peterborough minus 7, Coburg minus 4, Belleville minus 4, everywhere in Niagara Falls minus 7, Hamilton minus 9, Oakville minus 9, Port Elgin minus 11, Hanover is going to be minus 11 degrees, Line said, Bay is going to be minus 11 degrees, Palm Beach, Sunny Beach minus 9 degrees, Solid Bay minus 8, Midland minus 9 degrees, Orla minus 9 degrees, Georginia is going to be minus 8 degrees, Beverly Hills is minus 9, Barrie minus 9. So, this is the end of the video.